Welcome to Nehamrit Farms and explore organic farming. Located at the foothills of the scenic Malshej Ghats, Nehamrit Farms is enshrined in a natural, pollution-free environment. A large plot of land is dedicated to organic farming of fruits and vegetables, totally free of pesticides, fertilizers or chemicals. Nehamrit is a multiple crop farm comprising of fruit trees and vegetables. Cattle rearing is integral to organic farming. Nehamrit has brought the pure Indian breed Gir cow, which gives the best quality of milk. The cow dung is used for vermiculture, where earthworms transform organic waste into high potential manure. Cow's urine is used instead of pesticides to control insects and pests. A large greenhouse is set up to grow vegetables in a controlled environment, free from pests. It allows the vegetables to grow in a natural environment. Several high-yielding varieties of vegetables are grown. Nehamrit is an organic farm certified by Bureau Veritas after stringent auditing. Nehamrit Farms produce fresh fruits and vegetables round the year, totally free from pesticides. Come, visit Nehamrit Farms. Experience organic farming for a healthy lifestyle and a sustainable future.